What is going on? People who are trying to lose weight, and you know you are trying to lose weight and you know you have a problem with doing so and are looking for an easy way out. I'm here to help you out because there is an easy solution that, well, I decided to come here to talk to you guys about it because I realized that not many people know about the Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic. So the Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic is a dietary supplement, and it was formulated using only natural ingredients, which makes it wonderful because you know it's safe and healthy and very powerful. Below this video, you probably have seen a link already. That link is their official webpage. Today, the Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic is only sold on their official webpage just so you guys can be receiving the legit product and experiencing massive weight loss, guys. So are you ready to get yourselves into, you know, this new body that is so much more leaner and healthier? If you are, that's where you need to be going to get it. But let me just explain to you a little bit more about the Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic. All right, so yeah, this is a dietary supplement and it does come in a powdered form. If you are a person who hates capsules like me, then this is for you. You see, since it does come in a powdered form, every day you're just going to take a scoop out of it. You're going to place it into a glass of water and mix it well and take it. By doing this every single morning, you are allowing your body's metabolism to be sped up, and that's where the fun begins. That's where the weight loss begins. Your body will start to know that, will realize that your metabolism is working really fast, and it will start to target the fat stores around it and melt them off. So as soon as they are melting off, you already start to feel these changes, and you can expect a lot of benefits with the Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic. First of all, detoxification, getting rid of toxins and impurities that are laying around your body, causing you to just store fats rather than melting them off. Metabolism that is working really, really well. But you also get better skin health, so meaning you're going to be like rejuvenating your skin, taking excellent care of it. Better sleep, meaning if you suffer with insomnia or you're a light sleeper, you're finally going to get the sleep that you've always wanted to have. And you can count on a really great immune system, a really great inflammatory response. So yeah, I mean, the Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic is really well known today because of its power, because of the benefits it brings to the human body. So in order to really take advantage of this supplement and really use up all the benefits it has to provide you with, you got to take it seriously. You got to every morning prepare a glass of water with a scoop of the Sumatra and take it, and that's it. All you got to do is take it for 3 or 6 months, depending how much weight you want to lose, and you're good to go. You know, the results, they are permanent. Your overall health will be improved. And this is something that has no side effects. It has no GMOs, no contradictions. So what are you waiting for, guys? Before I forget, you do have a 90-day money-back guarantee. You see, that is more than enough time for you to get results and, you know, feel really good about yourselves. So if you need a refund at some point, you can request a full refund back on their official webpage. Now, go there right now, pop by there to learn a little bit more about the Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic. If you have doubts, questions, place them in the comments below. Feel free to do so. I'll try to help you guys out. All right? Have a fantastic day, everyone, and I'll see you folks next time. Bye.